Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening VS Code and creating a project folder. This gives you a single workspace to manage. Next, create index, HTML and script, JS in that folder so files are side by side and easy to reference. Once done, save both files and verify the extensions are correct so the browser and editor recognize them. Make sure autosave or explicit save is used. This prevents stale content when you test in the browser. Now you're ready to insert the linking tag. Edit index, HTML and add a script tag referencing script. JS just before the closing body tag so DOM elements load first. You do this to avoid null errors when scripts run. Placing the tag at the end ensures elements exist. If your JS lives in a subfolder, adjust the relative path accordingly, for example JS/script. JS. Make sure to use correct quotes and exact file name case because mismatches stop loading. Save index, HTML and return to VS Code's live server or browser to test. Launch your page using live server or open index. HTML directly. Live server auto-refreshes changes and is recommended. Once the page loads, open DevTools and watch the console for errors that tell you about missing files or syntax issues. If the script didn't run, make sure the script tag path matches the file location, file names are case-sensitive, and clear the browser cache to avoid stale JS. One key troubleshooting tip. If console shows 404 for script, JS, correct the path immediately and
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.